How do you go from this to a 3D print like this? The first thing you have to do is take a lot of pictures. We use 3D Scan by Skydio. Then put them into a photogrammetry program such as Reality Capture. Once you've done that, you get an output from the photogrammetry program, which is an OBJ file, basically a 3D model, which we then took into Blender because we wanted to get rid of the grass that was in the model and we just wanted the cow. We then took an STL file from there into Cura so that we could then slice the model for the 3D printer. 3 hours later, we had our 3D print. So as you can see, it's not a direct process, but we were able to get a model of the cow from the Creamery through a couple different steps. So that's how you get a 3D print from a 3D scan.